In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to a Wix website. We'll be working directly inside the Wix dashboard, and the process is simple once you know where everything is located. If you're adding products or menu items for the first time, this walkthrough will help you move through the setup clearly and confidently. To begin, go to wix.com and sign into your account so you can access your site dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where Wix keeps most of the main tools for managing your website content. From that left side menu, click on Catalog. The Catalog section is where you manage the items that appear on your site. So this is the area you'll use whenever you want to create, update, or organize products. After that, click on Items. This opens the list of existing items in your catalog. If you already have products added, you'll see them here. If not, this is where you'll start building your list from scratch. Next, click on Add Item. This opens the item creation page where you'll enter the details for the new product. Take your time here because the information you add will help customers understand exactly what you're offering. Start by adding the item name. Make sure the name is clear, accurate, and easy to recognize. A straightforward title usually works best, especially if customers need to find the product quickly. Then add the item description. This is where you can briefly explain what the product is, what makes it special, or any important details customers should know before purchasing. Try to keep it informative and easy to read. Next, add labels. Labels can help highlight key features or categories for the item. For example, they can be useful for showing something important about the product at a glance. This can also make browsing easier for visitors on your site. After that, add the pricing. Be sure to enter the correct amount, since this is what customers will see when they view the item. It's always a good idea to double check the price before moving on, especially if you're adding multiple products. Once everything is filled in, click Save. This stores the new item in your Wix catalog and make sure your changes are applied. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your Wix website. If you're entering more items, just repeat the same process for each one to build out your catalog neatly and consistently.